To insert your Quell into the band, place the band with the blue accents facing down. The paper insert in the pocket has instructions. You can remove the insert now. The pocket has a Velcro strip that securely holds the device in place. Quell slides into the band with the blue backside of the device facing up. Open the Velcro strip and slide Quell in. Once Quell has been inserted into the band, the metal snaps on the back of the device should align with the oval opening. Next, secure the Velcro strip to hold the device in place. Now, attach the electrode by connecting the snaps on the back of the electrode to the snaps on the device. Once the electrode is attached and the protective liner has been removed, you can position your Quell 1 to 2 inches below the knee of either leg and you are ready to begin therapy.